We don't really have a super duper totally satisfactory Yiddish dictionary. And I know that many eminent scholars, for example, Benjamin Harshav years ago, called for a collective project to develop a comprehensive Yiddish dictionary. I just keep thinking back to a writer that I know particularly well, Moshe Kulbach, who grew up in the same area as where my parents came from. And there the Yiddish took many expressions from Belarusian. And there are many words in Kulbach's stories that come from Reisen, which is the Yiddish word for Belarus, and they're not in the Weinreich dictionary. In Oizer Warszawski's Smuglaris, there are many words from peasant Polish, which are not in the Weinreich dictionary. To really read Yiddish literature, you need excellent dictionaries, I think, in Belarusian, Ukrainian, and Polish, more so than Russian itself. And in theory, it would have been practical for a battery of Yiddish scholars to have gone through all the thousands of digitized books, made a list of words that were not in the Weinreich dictionary, and added to them. I understand that a project is now underway to take Yitzhak Naborsky's French Yiddish dictionary and translate it into English. But we definitely need it. And I'm afraid that as time goes on, it'll be more and more difficult.